Good morning. It is day 2 of our little haven break. And we are, if you can't tell, where are we going, Willow?
Swimming.
We're off swimming. So, obviously...
I'm extremely tired.
He is extremely tired. Winnie's really giddy. It's like 9:05. I don't think we've ever... I'm going to try and squeeze past here now. I don't think we've ever gone swimming this early in the morning. Oh, it's been raining through the night and we've all got our sandals on and I've got wet feet. Hang on, guys. Willow panics about the slightest little bug. So yes, go and go.
I don't like bugs.
No, you don't like bugs. We'll catch up with you when we've been swimming. So we've eaten. Jay had the amazing idea of having a bacon cheese grill. So me and Dave had it as well, but with an egg. It was so nice. So Willow is currently putting grown-ups on because she's not a fan of the heat. I've got all of this to tidy up. And then we're going to head out ready for the dinosaur show in the live lounge. But while I'm sorting all of this, Dave and the kids are playing balls.
Oh, it's more skillful.
Guys, it's my turn.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Right, go on, throw the white one, then let Winnie go first. Me?
Too far. I don't see it.
Yeah. Oh, hang on a minute, hang on, don't throw it in.
Winnie, throw it.
Ow, the floor is boiling. So hot. Go on, Win. Show everyone how you play. Oh, watch your head, Jay.
Oh.
My turn. It went into the table. My turn.
Oh, nice action shot there. Oh, oh.
Careful, Isaac.
Oh! Go on, Win. Oh, well done, Winnie! Well done!
You're cheating.
Yeah.
And Daddy's the professional. Oh, Isaac! Winnie won! Woo! Well done, Win. So what are we doing now, Willow?
I'm going to go on the bungee jump. And I'm going on the anxious.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the
swimming pool.
We're gonna go to the splash park, aren't we?
Yeah.
After we've done what we're doing now.
It is so exciting.
believe that we're in Blackpool. It is so... What are you doing? It is so sunny. It's been glorious today. Absolutely glorious. You've been tired because of it, haven't you?
I was sleeping outside and inside.
You were.
Jacob tricked me into pouring a bucket of water over my head. We are joining
In the splash pool.
We are joining Crowley the Gnome. The knights will be defeated.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna do heroes stuff again today.
Anyway, so we're now off to the evening entertainment. And let's just take a moment for Willow's beautiful dress. Willow,
That keeps on slipping.
but you look beautiful.
Me? My dress.
You also look beautiful. You're dressed like Dorothy, aren't you, from The Wizard of Oz? So yeah, let's go and
I'm the wizard.
let's go and check out the
I'm
entertainment.
the wizard.
Hey, everyone, we're not showing ready yet. Right. I see ya. Shoot. Right, before he comes up, I see ya. Before he comes up, we've got a shackling. I can't win. Right, after doing nice and hard, shout for Rory. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, what? Now you're not going to come out. After all that, you're practically halfway there. Oh, do you want them to be louder? Right, of course you do. We've seen it even today. Even louder. Go and see. We're going to shout for Rory. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was loud enough. Everyone say, hi, Rory. Hello, Rory. What have you been up to today? You've had lots of food, lots of lunch. You've been practicing, been running, training. I love it. And dabbing as well. Why not? Now, I think you've got a bit of a dance, everyone. Who wants to have a dance with Rory? Well, find your space on the dance floor. Rory, take it away.
And you're happy about that lollipop, aren't you?
Yes.
Is it nice?
But tomorrow I'm gonna get my playtime in.
Yeah, and Tom said you can.